Welcome everyone to my channel. Today I will tell you about money management and risk management. This footage is from our very first shoot. It feels like forever ago. Back then it was just me and a couple of friends, and now we've grown to a team of over 50 people. It's incredible to see how far we've come. What started as a small project has turned into something so much bigger. Hey everyone, it's Amy. I have some huge and exciting news to share with you. We've taken a major step into the future. You might have noticed that we've changed the name of our channels on YouTube, Telegram, and other platforms. That's because we've officially registered as an international company. We've been working hard to make this happen, and I'm thrilled to introduce you to our new company, EA Automatic. EA Automatic is a team of top-notch professionals, traders, risk managers, management analysts, software engineers, marketeers, and many other experts. We're all passionate about taking our product to the next level. And as always, we're committed to staying open and honest with you every step of the way. I want to say right away that everything stays the same. Our product remains unchanged, and all agreements with our customers are in place. We're still active on all our social media platforms. The only difference is the new name. But with our growth, we've introduced several improvements to make your experience even more comfortable. I'll always look back fondly on the time a year ago when I started my personal trading blog to share my experiences. My main goal was to make trading accessible to everyone, whether you're just a beginner or already a pro. And that goal hasn't changed. This year, I've created 36 videos on my channel where I've shared my experiences, analyzed the market, and talked about myself and our products. We got to know each other. You learned about me and I learned about you. Understanding my audience and your needs has always been important to me. That's how my team and I developed our trading robot, a tool that automatically trades while you go about your day. This tool has helped many people earn passive income from the beginner to the pro level. Now there are over 1,000 like-minded individuals in our community, all striving to improve their lives and explore modern ways of earning money. Thank you to everyone who believed in our product, to those who share feedback, and to everyone who writes kind words of support. You are the reason we keep improving our robot. I remember those exciting moments when the robot brought generous profits to our customers, but I also remember times when things didn't go as smoothly and I had to learn from my mistakes. The market threw some surprises our way, like when everything was going great for 6 months and then suddenly the market crashed. I still remember that remarkable day, but the robot managed to navigate through that tough times and continues to hold its ground. Once again, if it weren't for you, my subscribers and traders, I wouldn't have learned so quickly. Your honest feedback is what drives us to keep improving our product. It's important to note that this isn't just a formal change, it's a step forward in our commitment to better serve our customers. So why did we create EA Automatic? First, our team has grown significantly, with each member taking responsibility for their own area of expertise. Secondly, we have a strong desire to continuously improve the quality of our product, which I'll touch on a bit later. And thirdly, addressing legal matters lets us collaborate with larger partners and open up new opportunities. All these changes have led to some exciting updates. 1. You'll now have trained product-savvy managers communicating with you in private messages, and each client will have their own personal manager. This means faster, higher quality communication and a more personalized approach for each of you. Feel free to reach out to us on Telegram with any questions you have. And don't worry, I'll still be personally in touch with some of my longtime clients. 2. By popular demand, we've set up a call center where we can discuss the product in more detail, show you how it works, help with setting up the robot, and resolve any urgent issues. I couldn't manage this alone because there are so many of you, but now it's possible. So if you want to have a more thorough discussion, just reach out. You can find a link to message a manager in our Telegram channel. Check out this video description. 3. We're also creating an official website where you'll find all the information about our robot in one place. You'll be able to explore everything in detail, and if you have any questions, our support team will be there to help. 4. And of course, we're continuing to improve our product. We gather all your feedback, good and bad, so we can ensure that we all use a modern and reliable product in the long run. And there are even more exciting things ahead. We are preparing tons of useful content and new robot features just for you. We started as a small project and now it's something so much bigger. And once again, this scaling isn't just for show. It's all about enhancing our product and service, especially for you, our precious customers. Even with the changes in our legal structure, the channel and product you love remain the same. Our values, approach to content, and dedication to our product haven't changed. Thanks to everyone who's joined our community. Whether you're new or have been with us since the very beginning, be sure to check out our Telegram channel for a bunch of useful and interesting information about trading. Remember, trading is accessible to everyone. With the right mindset, you can achieve anything. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to message us. The link to our Telegram channel is in the description below. There's so much more exciting content coming your way. This was me, Amy, and I'll see you in the next videos on this channel, EA Automatic.